Did you know that top Quora writers can earn up to $10,000 per month through affiliate marketing? Shocked? Well, you should be. While most users scroll endlessly, a select few are cashing in big time. Stick around and I'll spill the tea on how you can join this elite group of Quora moneymakers. This is the wild world of Quora, a goldmine for savvy affiliate marketers. With over 300 million monthly active users, this Q&A platform is a treasure trove of potential customers. Today we're diving deep into how you can leverage Quora to skyrocket your affiliate marketing game and pad your wallet. That's right, today I'll take you to how to use Quora for affiliate marketing and make money online. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Now, let's get real for a sec. Making bank on Quora is no walk in the park. The platform is crowded, with millions of answers competing for eyeballs. It's like trying to be heard at a rock concert. It's not exactly easy. First off, there's the credibility issue. Quora users are smart cookies. They can smell a salesy pitch from a mile away. If you come off as inauthentic or pushy, you're toast. Building trust is crucial, but it takes time and effort. Then there's the visibility problem. Quora's algorithm is as mysterious as your ex's reasons for ghosting you. Getting your answers to the top requires a mix of strategy, timing, and a little bit of magic. Let's not forget about the conversion conundrum. Even if you manage to get eyes on your content, turning those views into clicks and ultimately sales is a whole other ballgame. It's like getting a date. It's only half the battle. You still need to impress during dinner. And lastly, there's the constant grind. Quora success doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency, patience, and a whole lot of coffee. Many give up before they see results, leaving money on the table. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the Quora affiliate marketing rabbit hole. It's time to turn those burning questions into burning cash. Let's start things off with step number 1. Become the Quora whisperer. First things first, you need to become the Beyoncé of Quora. Flawless, captivating, and impossible to ignore. How? By crafting answers so good, they make Wikipedia jealous. Think of your Quora answers as a gourmet meal. Nobody wants a bland microwave response. They crave a 5-star Gordon Ramsay approved feast for the mind. Start with a hook that's spicier than your ex's Instagram posts. Then sprinkle in some personal experience, which is the secret sauce to credibility, and don't forget to add a generous helping of facts and data, because numbers don't lie, but people do. And finally, garnish with a dash of humor. Laughter is the way to a reader's heart, and at this case, their wallet. Remember, your goal is to be more addictive than TikTok, and more helpful than your mom when you're sick. Step number 2. Question hunting. Choosing the right questions on Quora is kind of like dating. You gotta kiss a lot of frogs before you find your prince. But don't worry, I've got some ninja tricks up my sleeve. You just need to focus on evergreen topics. They're like the Betty White of questions. They're always relevant, always loved, so just look for questions with high follower counts. It's like fishing where the fish are, not in your bathtub. Use Quora's topic search to find your niche. It's like having a GPS for money-making opportunities. And don't forget to set up alerts for new questions in your area of expertise. Be the early bird that catches the affiliate worm. And here's a pro tip. Don't just answer the obvious questions. Look for ones that make you go, that's interesting. Those are often the hidden gems that can skyrocket your visibility. Step number 3. The art of the subtle sell. Now here comes the tricky part. Integrating your affiliate links without coming off as a used car salesman on steroids. It's all about finesse. Think of your affiliate link as a first date. You wouldn't propose marriage right away, right? Instead, you build rapport, show value, and then casually mention, oh, by the way, always, always, always disclose that you're using affiliate links. Transparency is sexier than a six-pack. Only recommend products you genuinely believe in. Your reputation is like a credit score. It's hard to build, but it's easy to ruin. So use link shorteners to make your links look less spammy. It's like putting on a tuxedo on your URL. And place your links strategically. Don't shove them in like you're stuffing a Thanksgiving turkey. Weave them in naturally. Remember, the goal here is to be as smooth as butter on a bald monkey. Step number 4. Consistency is key. Consistent posting on Quora is like going to the gym. It does suck at first, but the results are worth it. Aim to answer at least 3 to 5 questions per day. That's like compound interest for your Quora presence. But here's the kicker. Don't just post and ghost. Engage with other answers. Upvote good content. And be an active member in the community. It's like networking at a party, but you can do it in your pajamas. Number 5. Analyze and optimize. Remember how I mentioned Quora's algorithm being mysterious? Well, it's time to put on your Sherlock Holmes hat and do some sleuthing. Track your performance like a hawk watching its prey. Which answers are getting the most views? Which ones are leading to clicks? Use this data to refine your strategy. It's like A/B testing, but instead of website buttons, you're testing your wit and your wisdom. Step number 6. Diversify your portfolio. Never ever put all of your eggs in one basket. You need to mix it up. So use different affiliate programs, promote various products, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. Think of it like a buffet. Why stick to just one of the mashed potatoes when you can just sample everything? Step number 7. The long game. Here's the truth bomb. Quora affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's like growing a beard. It does take time, and it might look a bit patchy at first, but stick with it, and soon you'll have a glorious moneymaker. Keep learning, keep adapting, and most importantly, keep answering. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your Quora empire be. Step number 8. Be authentic. In a world of fake news and Photoshop influencers, being genuinely helpful and honest is kind of like your superpower. Share your failures along with your successes. Be the Keanu Reeves of Quora, universally loved for being real. Remember, at the end of the day, Quora is about helping people. If you focus on that, the money will follow. It's like karma, but with a dollar sign. Alright, now you need to lean in close because I'm about to drop a truth bomb that will make your Quora game explode like a supernova. Ready? The ultimate power move in Quora affiliate marketing is creating your own product or service to promote. Yep, you heard that right. While promoting other people's stuff is great, nothing beats having your own baby to push. Here's why. You control the entire funnel. From Quora answer to sales page, you're not just another affiliate in a sea of marketers. You're the flippin' captain of your own ship. Imagine this. You craft an ebook, online course, or coaching program that solves a problem you see popping up constantly on Quora. Now, every time you answer a related question, you're not just helping. You're leading people straight to your solution. It's like being the only person selling umbrellas when it starts to rain. The strategy turns you from being a mere player into a game changer. You're not just making money, you're building a brand, establishing authority, and creating a loyal following. It's the difference between renting an apartment and owning a mansion. So, it's time to stop playing with someone else's sandbox and start building your own beach. From crafting killer answers to hunting golden questions, integrating slick links, and even creating your own products. All you need to remember is that Quora isn't just a Q&A platform. It's your ticket to affiliate marketing stardom. Also, What's the craziest, most unexpected way you've ever made money online? Share your wild money-making adventures in the comments. Let's see who's got the most outrageous success story. And well, that's basically how to use Quora for affiliate marketing and make money online. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.